Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Wednesday, February 16, 2022 on our channel. Carrier China introduces new generation of variable refrigerant flow systems for residential and commercial buildings. Ductless heating and cooling systems market, global forecast to 2026. ASDA chooses high-efficiency CIAT VECTIOS for store rooftop replacement program. Mitsubishi Electric Trane HVAC US welcomes Vice President of Marketing. So, first news today. Carrier China introduces new generation of variable refrigerant flow systems for residential and commercial buildings. Carrier China has launched the new XCT8 Variable Refrigerant Flow (VRF) series, reinforcing its momentum and focus on customers in the light commercial HVAC segment. The new XCT8 series is manufactured in Carrier's Nanhai, Foshan factory to meet the needs of Chinese and global customers with an unyielding commitment to quality, technology, and energy savings. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Ductless heating and amp, cooling systems market, global forecast to 2026. The ductless heating and amp, cooling systems market size is estimated at $98.4 billion in 2021 and is projected to reach $145.0 billion by 2026, at a CAGR of 8.1%. The implementation of IoT with ductless systems has fueled their demand in commercial and residential applications. Ductless heating and amp, cooling systems are of different types, based on different technologies, and their functions are application-specific. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. ASDA chooses high-efficiency CIAT VECTIOS for store rooftop replacement program. National supermarket chain ASDA is installing high-efficiency CIAT VECTIOS packaged rooftop cooling units as part of a rolling program of equipment replacement across its UK estate. The units, supplied by CIAT distributor Cool Designs Limited, offer excellent energy efficiency, exceeding the latest EU eco-design requirements for seasonal efficiency, SEER and GT 3.53 and SCOP and GT 3. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Mitsubishi Electric Trane HVAC US welcomes Vice President of Marketing. Mitsubishi Electric Trane HVAC US, METIS, welcomes Jason Rosenthal to the team as Vice President of Marketing. In this newly created role, Rosenthal leads the company's marketing and controls product management departments for both residential and commercial sectors. He drives market research and analysis to identify and capitalize on new opportunities for METIS products and services. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.